Hey guys, today's recipe we are going to see a dark chocolate, which is a homemade dark chocolate recipe using cocoa powder and few simple ingredients. So let's begin to know how. Ingredients required are 3 tablespoons coconut oil, 6 tablespoons cocoa powder, honey 4 to 5 tablespoons, chocolate essence which is optional. Let's begin by heating a pan with 1/4 of water. Place a heat-proof bowl. Add 3 tablespoons of coconut oil and melt them until they become translucent. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Be sure to subscribe and thanks for the overwhelming response on the previous video of making white chocolate. If you've missed that recipe, I will leave a card above. 4 to 5 tablespoons of honey. You can adjust honey as per your sweet preference. Honey is the only sweetener that we will be adding in the recipe. You can replace this with powdered sugar if required. Once the honey is dissolved, add 6 tablespoons of cocoa powder. I am adding cocoa powder in batches. I am using unsweetened cocoa powder. Now whisk them well until it's completely dissolved. If you feel the mixture is too runny, you can add cocoa powder accordingly. Whisk until the cocoa powder is completely dissolved and gets a shiny and a glossy texture and remove this from the heat. Now add a tablespoon of milk powder and chocolate essence. Both these ingredients are optional. Milk powder is added to adjust the bitterness of the cocoa powder. You can skip this if you like the bitter taste of the chocolate. Run this mixture under a strainer to get a smooth finish. Please note the utensils and the ingredients that you are using should be moisture free. Cook this mixture in low heat, otherwise your chocolate might seize. Add the milk powder only when it is removed from heat, otherwise it might clump up in the mixture. Now pour this mixture in any chocolate mold as per your preference. Let me know in the comment section below if you want to see a chocolate recipe without mold. I'm just making plain dark chocolate. You can add any nuts or dry fruits of your choice. I went overboard and filled the entire mold. You can just fill in the cavities using a spoon. I am transferring the remaining mixture to a different mold. Now place them in the freezer and freeze it for about 2 to 3 hours. Once freezed, remove the chocolates from the molds. Be sure you remove them only when it is ready to be served. Look at how glossy and beautiful these chocolates have turned out. Please note you cannot use this chocolate to make chocolate ganache as this will give a coconut flavor. Thanks for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did so, you know the drill. Be sure to like, share, subscribe and leave a comment in the comment section down below. I will see you in my next video. Until then, keep baking.